guys, we're here. It's absolutely huge. Isn't this an absolutely amazing place? There's some houses here. One very modern house, and then there's like a more traditional house. If I can even see it behind me. But other than that, these are all the views, and it's just completely and utterly mad. It's so awesome. Like, the clouds are just not moving today at all. They're just completely clear. There's no movement. They're just not moving at all. At the same point, there's still something about it that, I don't know, there's a difference to me. That when you feel a bit lost and a bit like your plans have been put on hold and everything you thought was going to happen just hasn't happened, there's enough here to keep your mind active. And when you already feel like you have a lot on your mind anyway, sometimes there's just nothing as peaceful and calming as just looking completely up at the sky and seeing nothing but exactly the same thing over and over and over again. I mean, yes, there are different shapes and there might be slight movements and there might be darker clouds and lighter clouds, but it's just so peaceful to just have such calmness and simplicity above you that it just makes you really not feel like you have to think about what you're thinking and think about your thoughts and the troubles and what's going on in the unknown, really, because there's a lot of unknown for everyone at the moment, and that can be scary. And especially when I had planned what I was going to do for the next year at least, and it's just not happening. I'm having to change my plans. I'm trying to adjust to the difference, the unknown, and it's kind of a downer, really, because I wanted to do my van, I wanted to go on loads of trips. My boyfriend and I had also planned to do some bigger trips. I wanted to work to save even more and then go on these trips without and knowing that I could do that without the stress of rent and things like that, because I had the security of the van, and what the van meant to me as well is a massive deal, and it's not here anymore. And it just kind of makes me think, over these past 2 months, it's actually made me think that this is really something I do want to do. And even though I've had some dramatic setbacks, I'm still ready to try again. And I think this is the right decision. It's definitely been a hard learning curve, but I'm ready for the next stage. And thankfully, I have finally heard from the insurance company after 2 months of uncertainty that I may not get anything at all. Robert Phillips. There of Mark, of Robert Neeham Phillips, a leading citizen of Manchester and a leader of properties at Snittenfield in County. He was as good as wise and a brave man, a friend of liberty in evil days, born in April the 3rd, 1760, died in March 14, 1844. This memorial was raised in 1876 in token of the deep esteem and warm affection of his only brother, Robert Neeham Phillips. Imagine this whole landmark was made just for one man, and also dedicated to that same man, Mark Phillips, from his brother, Robert Neeham Phillips.